Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you 5 great websites where you can find 3D print files, including one you won't expect. Let's get started. 1. Thingiverse, a well-known platform with thousands of free models. It's great for hobbyists and educators. Just browse, download, and print. 2. Prusa Printables. Prusa, known for 3D printers, also has a file marketplace where designers can sell models or enter competitions. It's a great community-driven platform. 3. Thangs, a search engine that finds 3D models across multiple platforms. Instead of browsing sites individually, search everything in one place. 4. My Mini Factory, perfect for miniatures and collectibles. Buy, subscribe, or find free models for figurine lovers. 5. NASA. Yes, NASA offers real spacecraft models for free. It's an amazing resource for space fans. And there you have it, 5 amazing websites for downloading 3D print files. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.